Anyway mga kabarya, sa video natin ito, i-discuss natin ang PSE Stock Preferred Shares Offering ni JFC, ang ating Jollibee na Master of Chicken Joy. Kasi nagkaroon ito ng dalawang preferred shares offering na Series A at Series B. At ang offering period nito, September 28 hanggang October 1, 2021. Kaya kung trip at korsonada mo itong ating stock na si JFC, panoorin mo itong ating video. Saka dito pala guys, sa ating Kabarya Avenue PH YouTube channel, sinishare natin yung ating experience at dinodocument yung ating pag-aaral sa mga nakita nating pangmasang Pinoy investment at potential digital assets in investment na pwede tayong kumita, kagaya ng stock market, Pag-ibig MP2 Savings and Investment Program, GCash Investment, cryptocurrencies and altcoins gaya ng Bitcoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Binance, Litecoin, Chainlink and Ethereum, at iba pang pangmasang Pinoy investment. Kaya guys, kung trip at korsonada mo ng ganitong mga content, pwede mo ring pindutin yung red subscribe button dyan sa baba para ma-update ka pa ng ating mga latest na ina-upload na video tungkol sa ating pag-aaral ng mga pangmasang Pinoy investment at potential digital assets in investment naman. Alright, bago natin umpisahan guys, huwag nyo palang kalimutang basahin yung disclaimer na nasa screen ng ating video. Okay, ginopen ko yung aking ginagamit na PSE Stockbroker account, ang ating Call Financial Stockbroker account, para makita natin yung offering ni JFC sa kanyang preferred shares, ang ating stock na si Jollibee. Kasi nagkaroon ito ng offering na tinatawag na preferred shares ito guys, no? Hindi ito common shares at hindi rin ito uncommitted shares. Ito ay tinatawag na preferred shares, yung kanyang naging offering naman dito. At meron itong dalawang klase ng offering sa kanyang preferred shares, ang ating JFC. Meron siyang Series A at merong Series B. Mamaya i-click natin ito para pasukin natin yung detailed information sa kanyang offering ng preferred shares. Okay? Pero bago naman natin puntahan yung offering ng kanyang preferred shares ang ating JFC, alamin muna natin yung mga latest na stock balita naman nito. Meron tayong nakita dito sa ating Philstar Global at naitala ito September 24, 2021. Ang topic naman nito, Jollibee finally sets dividend rate for preferred shares sale. Related din ito sa kanyang offering ng preferred shares. Basahin natin. The CE Asian Quick Service Restaurant Behemoth Jollibee, JFC 203.40, 3.83%, plans to sell 12 billion pesos worth of preferred shares as part of a 20 billion pesos shelf registration. The preps are split into two series, Series A and Series B, where Series A JFCPA preferred shares will carry an initial dividend rate of 3.2821% per annum, and Series B JFCPB will carry an initial dividend rate of 4.2405% per annum. Both JFCPA and JFCPB will be priced at 1,000 pesos per share. But aside from the different dividend rates, there are other differences between the two stocks with respect to step-up rate and redemption terms. Ang important naman na i-take note ninyo dito guys, kung korsonada ninyo itong offer na preferred shares ni JFC, itong ating Series A, sa kanyang preferred shares ay mayroong 3.28% na dividend rate per annum naman ito guys, no? Every year ang bilangan dito. Itong Series B, nabanggit dito na magkakaroon din ng initial dividend rate ng per annum o every year na 4.24% naman. Mas malaki itong Series B. At nakalagay din dito na pareho itong preferred Series A at Series B ni JFC, ang price per share naman nito is 1,000 pesos kada share. Okay? At pangalawa naman nating stock balita nanggaling sa ating Manila Bulletin. Ito ay naitala September 26, 2021. Para pa rin sa ating stock na si JFC, ang ating Jollibee. Topic nito, Jollibee opens its biggest branch in Europe. Basahin natin. Jollibee Foods Corporation has opened the first store in Spain right at the heart of Madrid and Puerta del Sol, Calle Arenal, one of its biggest opening in Europe. Ito pala yung pinakamalaking store ni JFC sa countryng Europe. Tuloy natin. In a statement, Jollibee said its debut in Spain comes as the brand continues to expand its current network of more than 1,400 restaurants worldwide, including cities such as New York, Rome, London, Los Angeles, Dubai, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Maganda naman ito para sa magiging future growth ng ating stock na si JFC. Kasi nga, marami pang country na target ito para mag-open ng mga fast food chain restaurant naman dito. Ito yung photos niya sa kanyang natukoy dito sa ating stock balita na biggest opening in country ng Europe. At ito naman sa baba, makikita ninyo dito, ito yung photos guys, no? Nakalagay dito, first in Spain. Yan, napakaraming tao sa kanyang naging opening ng store naman dito. Okay? At alamin muna natin yung ibig sabihin ng ating preferred shares. Meron tayong nakitang video explanation dito sa ating Investopedia. I-play naman natin ito para sa ating mga JFC natics na korsonada itong ating offering sa preferred stock shares ng ating Jollibee. I-play natin para well-informed. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Preference shares, also referred to as preferred shares, are equity shares that give the shareholders certain rights ahead of common shareholders. For instance, when the corporation declares a dividend, preference shareholders receive dividend payments before common shareholders. Preference shares usually have a fixed dividend, which often means the company is obligated to periodically declare and pay the dividend. This fixed dividend component makes preference shares similar to bonds. In the event of a liquidation of the company, usually due to bankruptcy, the preference shareholders are paid before the common shareholders. A less desirable aspect of preference shares is that, unlike common shares, preference shareholders are not entitled to vote at company shareholder meetings. Thus, they have no say in matters like electing the board of directors and merger proposals. Preference shares come in a number of different types. Cumulative preferred shares means the shares earn a dividend on a periodic basis. If the company does not declare and pay the dividend for one period, it must pay it later. Unpaid dividends accumulate until paid. Non-cumulative preferred shares also have a dividend right, but if the company skips the dividend, it doesn't have to pay it later. Convertible preferred shares gives the shareholder the right to convert the shares into common stock. Finally, there is participating preferred, which gives the preferred shareholder fixed dividends plus the possibility of extra dividends should the company achieve certain business goals.
Okay, very well explained naman itong video na nanggaling sa ating Investopedia tungkol sa ating stock preferred shares. Itong ating preferred shares, if the company enters bankruptcy, preferred stockholders are entitled to be paid from the company assets before common stockholders. Mas mauna naman siyang bayaran kaysa yung ating common shares. Yung ating preferred shares, yung priority nila, no? Lalo na kung nagkaroon ito ng bankruptcy. Pero ang pagkakaiba nila, itong nasa baba. Basahin natin ito. Most preference shares have fixed dividend, while common stock generally do not. Fixed naman yung dividend rates nitong ating preferred shares. Pero yung ating common stock, nakabase ito sa magiging growth profit na percentage ng ating common stock. Preferred stock shareholders also typically do not hold any voting rights, but common shareholders usually do. Ito yung pagkakaiba nila, kasi kung preferred shares yung hawak mo, hindi ka kasali sa voting rights. Pero kung common shares naman, sila naman yung priority na may authority sa mga voting rights. Okay? At balik na tayo dito sa aking Call Financial Stockbroker account, at para pasukin natin itong detailed information na napapaloob dito sa preferred shares offering ni JFC. I-click natin ito. At ito naman yung kasunod na lumitaw, warranty on eligibility to subscribe to the offering. I-click lang natin itong unang box dito sa baba. I confirm the representation and warranties above. Okay, i-click natin. At kapag na-confirm natin, ito naman yung kasunod na lalabas sa kanyang preferred shares offering announcement. Offering of 8 million with an oversubscription option of up to 4 million cumulative, non-voting, non-participating, non-convertible, redeemable, perpetual preferred shares of Jollibee Foods Corporation. Ang presyo naman nito kada shares 1,000 pesos per share. Minimum subscription 50 shares thereafter. Ibig sabihin, ito yung kanyang parang pinaka board lot. Kumbaga, kung ang nakalagay is 50 shares, yung kanyang minimum subscription di times 1,000, no? Kaya 50,000 yung kada board lot naman nito. Kapag bibili kayo, ito yung minimum na magiging preferred shares ninyo. 50 shares times 1,000 pesos is 50,000. Pero pwede siyang maulit kasi nakalagay dito thereafter in multiples of 10 shares. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng 50,000 times 10. Kaya magiging 500,000 pesos kung magiging maximum naman ito. Kasi in multiples of 10 shares. Okay? Call offer period September 28 up to October 1, 2021. Last day till 1 PM. At sa Tuesday na ang simula ng kanyang offering period sa kanyang preferred shares ang ating JFC. Kasi September 28 is Tuesday naman ito. Payment method, auto debit from call account on October 1, 2021. Kaya kung magso-subscribe kayo, siguraduhin yung kukunin yung preferred shares ay eksakto doon sa buying power ng inyong call account naman, para doon na lang i-auto debit doon by October 1 naman ito. Listing date October 14, 2021 yung kanyang listing date naman. Itong tinatawag na listing date, ito naman yung makikita na ninyo yung kung magkano yung naaprobahang shares na kinuha ninyo sa kanyang subscription period. Napapasok na ito sa inyong account. Okay? Puntahan natin itong table niya sa baba. Dividend rate. Itong Series A natin, nakalagay naman dito ang kanyang dividend rate ay 3.2821% per annum. Itong ating Series B, mayroong 4.2405% per annum. Ito yung na-discuss natin kanina sa unang part. At itong kanyang dividend rate, fixed percentage rate naman ito. Pangalawa sa ating table, optional redemption date. Itong ating Series A on the 3rd anniversary of listing date on any dividend payment date thereafter. Pang long term ito guys, no? Kapag mag-subscribe kayo dito sa kanyang preferred shares, kasi nga nakalagay dito yung optional redemption date nito is 3rd anniversary pagmula nung kanyang listing date na makukuha ninyo yung mga dividend redemption rate naman ninyo dito. Itong ating Series B, mas malaki yung kanyang percentage kasi on the 5th anniversary of listing date or on any dividend payment date thereafter. Mas matagal naman yung redemption nito. Pero nakalagay dito is optional redemption date. Ang ibig sabihin, optional siya, hindi siya compulsory na kukunin sa date na ito. Pwede ring per annum, pero mas ini-encourage nila na maging masunod itong mga date na ito kasi ito yung maturity date naman ng dividend rates nito. Pangatlo sa ating table, dividend rate adjustment. For specific details, please refer to dividend rate setup. How to subscribe, itong number 4 sa table. Click here. Makikita naman ninyo ito sa inyong account, no? I-click lang ninyo ito kung ano yung mapipili ninyo, kung Series A ba o Series B, para mapilapan ninyo yung form naman nito. Itong panglima sa ating table, maximum qualified number of shares to subscribe will be based on available funds in client's account on deadline date, but if oversubscribed, shares will be raffled, maybe by their minimum subscription amount. Kaya ilagay lang ninyo kung magkano yung preferred shares na target na kukunin naman ninyo dito. Bahala na yung PSE stockbroker ninyo kung magkano yung ma-aprobahan naman dito, kasi for approval pa naman ito. Allocation, if oversubscribed, call reserves the right to accept, reject, or scale down subscription request. No allocation will be made for insufficient funded subscription. Yan. Halos pareho rin itong ating number 4 dito o number 5, no? Dito sa ating table. Na ilagay nga lang ninyo kung magkano yung target amount na kukunin ninyo sa kanyang subscription period. Okay? At i-click naman natin itong how to subscribe para makita natin yung online subscription form ng ating JFC sa kanyang preferred shares offering. Halos magkapareho lang naman yung magiging online subscription form ng ating Series A at Series B. I-click natin para sa kanyang sample. At pagkatapos naman nating ma-click yung how to subscribe, ito na yung lalabas, yung kanyang IPO FOO request form. Basahin na lang ninyo itong ating instruction at itong kanyang terms and condition. At ito naman yung kanyang terms and condition. Dito ninyo pipilapan kung ilang shares yung iso-subscribe naman ninyo dito sa kanyang preferred stock shares offering ng ating JFC. At i-click nyo tong calculate subscription value para dito sa kanyang total naman. At pagkatapos na masigurado ninyo o ma-assure na ninyong okay na lahat itong i-fill up ninyo dito, i-click lang ninyo itong submit and print naman dito. Okay? At i-discuss din natin yung naging journey ni JFC sa ating trading day. At makikita natin dito na ang price action ni JFC currently nasa 202 pesos ito. I-check natin yung kanyang naging journey sa trading ng ating pre-pandemic level. I-plot muna natin itong present na price action niya. Ito yung present na price action ni JFC, nasa 202. At kung ipa-plot natin yung kanyang dip dito sa ating pandemic area, almost nag-dip ito dito sa baba. Yan, lakihan natin. Yan yung naging price action ni JFC. Dito around March 2020, ito yung pandemic level natin. Masyadong lumalim yung dip ni JFC dito. At umabot ito ng almost nasa 90 pesos area, no? Pero itong pre-pandemic level niya, makikita ninyo na nakabalik na rin ito. Unahin natin dito sa baba. Ito yung naging price action niya noong April hanggang October 2020 dito sa area na ito. Yan yung consolidation stage niya bago siya umakyat dito sa kanyang area ng pre-pandemic level. Pag akyat niya dito, itong area ng October hanggang May 2021 naman ito. October 2020 hanggang 2021, no? Pero pabaksak pa rin yung price action nito dahil nga tuloy-tuloy yung ating COVID situation. Bumaksak dito. Pero ngayon inakyat ulit yung price action nito. Yan, inakyat siya dito. At ngayon nagko-consolidate na, no? Kasi nag-drop pa rin ito. Dahil nasa mga quarantine period pa rin tayo, no? O mga lockdown area pa rin ang ating country. Kaya nagbabounce siya. Ito naman ang good thing, halos nagbabounce na siya, no? Dito sa kanyang pre-pandemic level. Yan. Kasi ito dati yung kanyang area, no, ng pre-pandemic level noong November 2019. Nandito siya, itong area na ito, November hanggang January. Yan naman yung bounce ni JFC, no? Plot natin dito siya, no? Nasa 223. Yan. Pero na-meet na natin, meron ditong isa, no? Around June 2021 pala ito. Ito siya. Yan. Kaya ang aabangan natin after ng ating pandemic kung hanggang saan yung magiging price action ni JFC naman dito, no? Kung hanggang saan ulit aabutin, kasi maganda yung kanyang mga nagiging growth stories naman dito sa ating fundamental analysis. Yan yung aabangan natin. Okay? I-check natin right now yung kanyang MACD. Itong kanyang MACD, mapapansin ninyo na maganda rin, no, yung naging MACD lines nito. Plot muna natin yung zero area. Yan yung zero area. Kung lalakihan natin, no, makikita natin maganda itong price action niya. Kasi nasa ibabaw pa tayo ng zero area. At itong ating blue line almost nakatutok na, no, pataas. Yan, kumambyo siya dito. Yan. At ang antayin natin kung kakayanin ba niyang lusutan itong ating red line, no. Palitan natin ng red. Yan yung MACD niya. Okay? Kasi almost paakyat na yung kanyang blue line naman dito. Yan ang ating JFC. Ulitin natin, around 200 pesos area naman ito sa kanyang price action. Okay? Alright, at yan ang ating naging topic sa JFC Stock Preferred Shares Offering. At take note guys, yung mga trip at korsonada itong ating stock na si JFC at yung gustong mag-subscribe sa stock preferred shares nito, ang offering period naman nito ay nagsimula na kasi ang date nito is from September 28 hanggang October 1, 2021. Okay? Magkita ulit tayo sa kasunod nating video. Once again, have a great weekend Sunday. Always stay safe and God bless. Hanggang sa muli.